Plant FAQs, Chamelaucium uncinatum. The allure of the Geraldton waxflower. From Aussie shrub to fragrant escape. For the past year, I've been captivated by the Geraldton waxflower, Chamelaucium uncinatum. It wasn't just the delicate, star-shaped blooms that resembled spun wax, but the unique fragrance that whispered of summertime down under. This native Australian shrub has become a muse for my home, inspiring everything from floral arrangements to, more recently, the exploration of its essential oil. The journey into the world of Chamelaucium uncinatum essential oil unveiled a hidden gem. While not as widely known as lavender or eucalyptus, its aroma is equally captivating. Described as light, honeyed, and with a hint of citrus, it promised a refreshing escape. But where to begin? Understanding Chamelaucium uncinatum essential oil. The essential oil is extracted from the leaves and flowers of the Geraldton waxflower. The process involves steam distillation, a technique that captures the volatile aromatic compounds responsible for the plant scent. These compounds, primarily terpenes and esters, are what give the oil its therapeutic properties. What are the benefits of Chamelaucium uncinatum essential oil? Early research suggests a range of potential benefits associated with Chamelaucium uncinatum essential oil. Studies have shown promise for its use in aromatherapy. The refreshing and uplifting aroma is believed to promote feelings of relaxation and reduce stress. Skincare. The oil's antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties may be beneficial for minor skin irritations. Remember, consult a healthcare professional before applying essential oils topically. Muscle relief. Some users report relief from muscle aches and pains when the oil is diluted and applied topically. How to care for Chamelaucium uncinatum essential oil. Due to its potency, essential oils should always be diluted before use. A common carrier oil like jojoba or sweet almond oil is a good choice. As a general rule, a 1% dilution is recommended, 1 drop of essential oil to 100 milliliters of carrier oil. Essential oils should also be stored properly to maintain their quality. Here are some tips. Keep it cool and dark. Store your essential oils in a cool, dark place away from direct sunlight. Use amber glass bottles. Amber glass bottles help to protect the oil from light degradation. Tightly sealed containers. Ensure the containers are tightly sealed to prevent evaporation. How to buy Chamelaucium uncinatum essential oil from Australia. Finding genuine Chamelaucium uncinatum essential oil can be a challenge, particularly outside of Australia. Here are some tips for securing a high-quality product. Look for reputable Australian suppliers. Search for companies specializing in Australian essential oils. Look for certifications that guarantee the oil's origin and production methods. Read reviews. Customer reviews can offer valuable insights into the quality and legitimacy of a product. Beware of overly cheap options. The distillation process is resource-intensive, so a very low price point could indicate a diluted or synthetic product. A final note on sustainability. The Geraldton waxflower is a precious part of the Western Australian ecosystem. When purchasing essential oil, consider companies committed to sustainable harvesting practices. Look for certifications that ensure the wild populations are protected. My journey with the Geraldton waxflower has only just begun. From its captivating blooms to the hidden potential of its essential oil, this Aussie native has captured my imagination. With a little research and responsible sourcing, you too can unlock the allure of the Chamelaucium uncinatum and bring a touch of Australian sunshine into your life.